How can I create an AI-powered ad to promote my product without any filming or video editing? The first step is to go to SodaMarketing AI. I'll click on Design and choose the size. Then I'll select the tone and brand, then the language, and write a very simple prompt. Click on Add Images to upload a picture of my product. Then it will give me two versions of the image, one transparent version, meaning without a background, and one with a background. I'll choose the version without the background and click Generate. And in less than a minute, I'll get stunning and impressive designs with images of my product in different variations, all branded with my brand logo, and brand identity. Now, let's see how we can turn any of these designs into a video. We'll click on Convert to Video. And here, I'll choose one of the ready-made templates available. So, I'll pick the 360-degree option. Of course, you can write a prompt with any idea you think could animate the design. After that, I'll click on Next, Enhance my prompt. Then I'll review the full prompt that will generate my video, and if I want to make any changes, I can edit it. After that, I click Generate and give it a few minutes. And as we can see, the video comes out absolutely amazing without messing up the text or anything else. This feature is truly unique. No other AI tool in the world has it except for SodaMarketing AI. Because here, we managed to turn the design into a video without having any issues with the text on the design, the logo, the color identity, and of course, not with my product either. You can come up with endless ideas using this method. Go now to SodaMarketing AI and try it out for yourself.